Today, under Big Top Royal K681, Mr. Sino AS, I am as Director of Joint Publication, S. Raharjo. This is publication 336 authorized release unlimited AD 452106/66/2012 Trusty Prasasti Dynasty. Owner, user, founder have to provide patent license Swiss-Indo Agreement. Exhibit AB. The Singleton Big Top Royal K681, the Master Indonesia King of Kings AM1. Dewan Ikatan Dokumen of International Crown Council, Room 1 to 13, Certificate Code 99.98 Seri 01 Port Asset. Exhibit AB. World Bank, Union Bank of Switzerland, Bank Indonesia, Special Federal Reserve Board. Authenticity of certificate 12 CFR4. Bank Protection, UBS number 6100048774. Sin date September 10, 2001 to 2012. P1, PKC and KRI Cirebon. Press release, joint release 36 AD 452106/OCC.government/TMT012902. Instruction. The payment transaction authorized FIN 103 remittance code Sino AS. New payment reference number A/100 Dexlog/PIN. Treaty event United Nations Swiss-Indo Multinational. Room 1. United Nations Human Obligation Project, the Big Five Continent. Room 2. Global Master Key Plan. Room 3. Indonesian Master Plan. HMT, the Board President, the Kingdom of the United Nations Organization. All content included in the press release below has been approved and must be used as is. Copies should not be changed or adjusted in any way. The only exception pertains to customized information in below. Replace our community group ABC, the Committee of 300, the International Organic Agency, United Nations Organization, with the name of your organization, Swiss-Indo World Trust International Orbit. A. Parent Bank, UBS AG, World Bank, Bank of Indonesia, with your name integrated, Billion Big Bang Ratu Mas Kencana Room A1 1A. B. Parent Army, NATO, SEATO, Non-Block, with your name integrated, Abis Rider, the Range Army Force. C. Parent of Nation, AAE, A2, new name, Neo the United Kingdom of God, Sky, Earth. City, Cirebon, State, West Java, and date of release November 20, 2012. The spokesperson's name in the quote. Number 1. Mr. A1 Sino AS2 IR Sugihartono Notonegoro ST 12 Istaimi Agung Ngesti Tunggal Big Top Royal Key 681 King of Kings AM1, the Great President of the United Nations Organization, Special Federal Reserve Board, Wonder Spiritual Boy, or Imam Mahdi. Topic: Power Attorney of Attorney, Global Change Mandate Authority of the New World Order Global Government and Global Development of the Corps Diplomatic Community Commercial, and the bank is responsible in Indonesia. 2. Bruno, President, Federal Reserve. Topic: United Nations Organization Security Council, multinational or NATO, SEATO, non-bloc, full power force and effect to freedom forever in World War III. The British royal families of the Queen Elizabeth II. Topic: the new generating good content and intergenerational transfer discounting world administration in Indonesia, together global government, now the United Kingdom of God Sky Earth, is born Big Top Royal K681, the Kingmaster Indonesia, King of Kings AM1, Wonder Spiritual Boy, Neo Ratu Adil Imam Mahdi, 1 commando, 1 vote, and 1 star. Number 4, Professor Dr. Nyoman Dinar, Udayana University, Fiscal and Monetary. Topic: the Basic Freedom Forever 111, using History Registered World Program Patent License Swiss-Indo Agreement. Number 5, Jose Alfredo Ramirez R. Top Resident Bullion Big Bang Ratu Mas Kencana Room A11A, Exhibit A and B. Topic: Integrated General Manager Owner Central Bank History World Banking Illuminating Vending Program, Owner Actual Genuine Currency Paper Money World, or gold and silver coins. Number 6, Jim Kim Yong, President World Bank. Topic: Investment of Nation and IPO investment and new generating good content Swiss-Indo or Swiss Indonesia Global Finance in Worldwide. 7. Ban Ki-moon, Secretary General United Nations, ASBLP 03333902, 2010. Topic: Resolution Global Problem Solving and Merger Website Program Managing Office, finds and apply Presentation Success International Protocol Number 301, together the Great President of the United Nations Organization, or Big Top Royal K681, the Master Key Indonesia King of Kings AM1, Global Government to the United Members World People's Protection with quotes and human obligation. 8. Dr. Susilo Bambang Yudhoyono, President Republic of Indonesia. Topic: Master Plan, Acceleration and Expansion Economic Development of Indonesia, together UN Swiss-Indo Multinational Global Development Investment of Nation and IPO Invest. 9. Barack Obama, U.S. President. Topic: Grand Government Team, Pentagon as the delegation, UN Swiss-Indo Multinational for keep international transaction and treaties international agreement. 10. Axel W. Weber, Chairman of Board Director UBS AG. Topic: the bank is responsibility Exhibit A, Gold Certificates UBS, and Exhibit B, Obligation Certificate UBS Ultimate Merger with Owner Central Bank's Bullion Big Bang Ratu Mas Kencana Room A11A under UBS UNPRI, UN responsible for investment by Consortium Internationality Swiss-Indo World Trust International Orbit. 11. Darmin Nasution, Governor Bank of Indonesia. Topic: Quantitative reporting of the return process corruption by Swiss-Indo System Global Finance in all location automate merger together owner central banks by Bullion Big Bang Ratu Mas Kencana Room A11A or integrated UBS AG, World Bank, Bank Indonesia of the basic 25 nation. 12. Vatican Benedictus XIII, ASBLP 03333902, 2010. Topic: the spirit of place, the world mercusuar, integrated all Testament by New Testament for Freedom Forever as New Era, 2013. Insert the date, time and occasion of your event. Date: December 20 to 21, 30 and 24, 2012. Location: Position Jimbaran, Bali, Indonesia. Like there is section available for your describe to work or focus or mission of your organization. You can use this customized area to include information about other loss mitigation counseling activities in which your organization might be involved. Be sure to improve contact within your organization to media may call within any question. Identify the local media outlets and determine their publication deadline so that you can get them to release in time for the information to appear before your event. If you have any question, you can contact following: Bank of America, kenneth.d.wade@bankofamerica.com, Jackie Ogero, jacqueline.ogero@bankofamerica.com, Case, Ron Brands, ronald.i.brands.case.com, Citibank, jeffrey.jv@citi.com, Wells Fargo, Joseph Ohayon, joseph.ohayon.wellstarfargo.com. This is contribution Office of the Control of the Currency, Federal Reserve Bank, World Bank Administration Manual Directory of Program Support by Trust Funds. As March 31, 2012, Global Partnership and Trust and Operation Conventional Binance and Global Partnerships Administrative Manual AMS 14.40 67830 April 2012. World Bank Open Access Policy for formal publication. On the Capacity Bullion Big Bang Ratu Mas Kencana Room A11A. To release unlimited AD 452106/66/2012 to the treaty event UN Swiss-Indo multinational, that to all some contact payment transaction is free from crimes complete, counterfeiting party, counterfeiting control to currency, Jena 19 and 34 global immunity protects diplomatic and principal handle all by single owner. Treaty event United Nations Swiss-Indo multinational, global development, Swiss-Indo World Trust International Orbit, the Committee of 300, the International Organic Agency, United Nations Organization, Global Government, Neo the United Kingdom of God, Sky, Earth, Community Group ABC, Swiss-Indo World Trust International Orbit, the Committee of 300, the International Organic Agency, United Nations Organization. A. Parent of banks. 1. UBS AG. Number 2. World Bank. Number 3. Bank of Indonesia. B. Parent of Army. Number 1. NATO. Number 2. Seattle. Number 3. Non-block. C. Parent of Nation. The basic of 25 Nations, Dewan Ikatan Dokumen International, Crown Council, Room 1 to 13. Number 1. Content of Asia. Number 2. Content of Africa. 3. Content of Europe. Number 4. Content of America. Number 5. Content of Australia. To host borrower, independent for closer review information event. City, Cirebon, State, West Java. Date of release September 20 and 2012. Swiss-Indo World Trust International Orbit will host an independent for closer review information event on date December 20 to 21, 23 to 24, 2012 to help homeowners who are part of foreclosure action on their primary residence in 2009 or 2010 and 2012. These homeowners may be eligible for an independent foreclosure review and may receive compensation or other remedy if the review finds that they were financially injured because of error or problems during their home foreclosure process. We have found that many consumers do not understand the independent foreclosure review program and not submit a request for review even though they are eligible and may have been financially injured as a result of surface error, said Mr. A1 Sino AS2 IR Sugihartono Notonegoro. We believe that explaining the program and answering questions, we can encourage the eligible borrower to make advantage of this effort. The event will be held on December 20 to 21, 23 to 24, 2012 at 9 p.m. Location: Four Seasons Jimbaran, Bali, Indonesia, and consumer may contact Community Group ABC, Swisindo World Trust International Orbit, the Committee of 300, the International Organic Agency, United Nations Organization, directly at email sino.as_sugihartono@hotmail.com, telephone +62 231 8493503 for detail about the treaty event UN Swisindo Multinational and the Independent Foreclosure Review. Information about the Independent Foreclosure Review also is available at independentforeclosurereview.com or by calling 1-888-952-952-9105, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. or Saturday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. In addition to helping consumer content, they are eligible for review Community Group ABC, Trustee Prasasti Dynasty by Swisindo World Trust International Orbit will work with eligible homeowner to obtain and or complete their official barcode request for review form, which must be submitted to initiate a review. Eligible homeowners have until December 31, 2012 to submit their request to have their foreclosure reviewed. The paragraph describing the work or focus or mission of Community Group ABC, Swisindo World Trust International Orbit. The Singleton World Investment reaches most powerful families, Swisindo Global Chains. The Corps Community Diplomatic Commercial Global Immunity FRN 083-193-4/ST12261-B12/F651222608. Community Group ABC, the Committee of 300, the International Organic Agency, United Nations Organization. Replace with Exhibit AB the name of In the Present Global Development, Swisindo World Trust International Orbit. On the Capacity Global Government, New the United Kingdom of God, Sky, Earth. Dewan Ikatan Dokumen of International Crown Council, Room 1 to 13. History Illustrated World Program. World Investment Reach Most Powerful Families. A. Parent of Bank or Induk Bank A dan B. Room 1. World Bank. 2. Union Bank of Switzerland. Room 3. Bank of Indonesia. B. Parent of Armed or Induk Army A dan B. Room 1. NATO. Room 2. SEATO. Room 3. Non-block. C. Parent of Nation or Mataram Islam, Mataram Hindu, Mataram Room. Room 1. Asia. Room 2. Africa. Room 3. Europe. Room 1. Global Development, Swisindo World Trust International Orbit. Description: the basic exhibitional AB and obligational AB honor actual genuine currency paper money worth of gold and silver coins and acceptable collateral for the Treasury Tax and Loan Program or 31 CFR Part 203. History World Banking Eliminating Banding Program comprises honor grant, collateral, Board of Governors or BOG, Board of Directors or BOD, World Corporate and Institution Community Ownership Investment of Nation and IPO Investment. Historical legal background and corporate principle. Absolute title. Power attorney of attorney signature medallion. Medallion helping 100 years to create the future history registered world program exhibit A and B Java Singleton. New owner. Owner, user, founder, lender, handling banks have to provide compressed owner grant, collateral, board of director, board of governors of corporate and institution top 300 organization under subsidiaries. It's called Medallion of Microfilm, Power Attorney of Attorney on the Signatory Guarantee Medallion of Documentary Bank of Love, a serial vision and mission for keep treaties international transaction and treaties international agreement, an absolute title complete global immunity. Medallion helping 100 years to create the future global government and global development compressed agreement to agreement G2G. Investment. Investment of nation and IPO investment top 300 organization subsidiaries. Consortium internationality. World corporate and institutions. Overtake order. Overtake order certificate of Geneva Exhibit AB. Historical legal background. Personal asset income certificate code 99.98 series 01 for asset. Keynes law. Consortium International Trust Officer. Transmission Consortium International US Swiss and Financial Consortium International Indonesia. Patent License Swiss-Indo Agreement. Room 1. Honor actual genuine guarantee paper money worth of gold and silver coins. Room 2. Exhibit A gold certificate UBS. List 001 list of 235.4. Room 3. Exhibit B obligation certificate UBS. Room 4. Holder certificate UBS KR 154321 CO 003496 GM London AZL 18 volume 70 billion kilograms. The collateral support majority, the founding father regional international institution, world corporate and institutions, authorized trustee Prasasti Dynasty by Consortium Internationality Swiss-Indo or Switzerland and Indonesia, code W3. Modern name, Swiss-Indo World Trust International Orbit, the Committee of 300, the International Orient Agency, United Nations Organization. Legal background, History Registered World Program, the History World Banking Illuminating Bending Program. Integrated UBS AG, World Bank, Bank of Indonesia. Corporate and Institution, Top 300 Organization IPO. Investment Lending Law. Investment of Nation and IPO Investment. Coverage, Certificate Code 99.98 Series 014 Series. Induk Army, UN Swiss-Indo Multinational or NATO Seattle Non-Block. Induk Bank, UBS World Bank, Bank of Indonesia, FED. Induk Negara, Asia, Africa, Europe. Room 2, Global Government. New the United Kingdom of God, Sky, Earth. Description. The Singleton is the new kingdom multi-superpower Prasasti trustee dynasty of the first one world, one commando, one foot, one star, with base in Indonesia of 12 Istaimi Agung Mesti Tunggal. HM Treasury, King of Kings, AM1, the parent of 25 nations and complete of 193 nations of the UN members. This is system kingdom civil society for global change of basic the Kingsley World Administrative Tool and Property International Trust of Justice to complete UN Charter and platform to get for life cool, calm, confident, peace, and quiet involve people to make discovery of paradise. The Corps diplomatic community commercial with Tasman through treaty even UN Suisindo multinational to now and future on behalf responsible to be God of trust as contribution Mother Earth to human rights to all the nations at the Big Five continent. Focus, New World Order, New Testament together Declaration of Transaction, Answer, and worldly challenge with global change of the basic global human obligation of the Big Five continent, or AAE, A2, Asia, Africa, Europe, America, Australia. Quotes of 193 nations. Quotes of top 300 organizations, IPO, and any corporate and institution selection 2012. Human obligation of 7 billion the world people, the Big Five continent. Room 1, Pilot Project, Human obligation for 213 million Indonesian peoples. Room 2, Pilot Project, Human obligation for 1 million Timor-Leste peoples. Regulation International Banking System SOE. New Testament Global Government. Global Change Together Declaration of Transaction, Answer, and Worldly Challenge Number A5, AAA, AA 303-333-74242 International Transaction World Bank Institutions. For KIPS, International Transaction and Treaties International Agreement. Mission. For KIP International Transaction and Treaties International Agreement, Investment Lending Law, the payment transaction to global change through the human obligation. Freedom Forever 111, Plan ABC. Exhibit A, Global Government, and Exhibit B, Global Development. Neo, the United Kingdom of God Sky, the Special Contract. Exhibit AB, Personal Asset Income. Character Building and the Spirit of Place, Neo Mercusuar Dunia. The Big Five Continent, AAE, A2, Asia, Africa, Europe, America, Australia. The World Tourism Center of the Discovery of Paradise, Human Obligation, Treaty Events Suisindo Global Finance. As part of a consent order with Top Secret C111, beneficial name ownership IR Sugihartono ST, have been outstanding payment transaction on behalf of Office of the Comptroller of the Currency with the new payment reference number is out, and certificate claims have been raised on the Favor Together Exhibit AB, Safekeeping Receipt from UBS Regulations or Rule 903 or 904. Acceptable collateral for the Treasury and Loan Program or 31 CFR Part 203. Treasury Regulation 31 CFR Part 323 Final Report ACD 04981 Law Columbia River Backwater Washington DC 1941 to 2012. Access Global Trends Investing Gold 65 and 2012. Federal Bank Regulation 14 Mortgage Service and their affiliates have identified homeowners who are part of foreclosure action and their primary resident during the period of January 1, 2009 to December 31, 2010. The Independent Foreclosure Review is providing these homeowners the opportunity to request an independent review of their foreclosure process. This free review will determine if they are owed payment or other compensation because of error during the foreclosure process. The borrower gives up nothing by requesting a review and waive no right by exempting compensation. After the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency has studied intelligence report forward to us by the Treasury Oversight Division or TOD, the Special Investigation Unit or SIU, the Treasury Inspection Unit or TIU, and the Operation Control Unit OCU of the U.S. Department of the Treasury on all payment transactions and the Executive Council on domestic settlement and allied matters. We discover that your due payment has been unjustly treated. So we apologize for the delay of my payment, and please stop communicating with any office whatsoever now and pay my attention to appointed bank officer below, for I receive my payment accordingly without delay. This on-base decision instruction affidavit that to all some contract outstanding payment transaction of amount 1,000 quadrillion US dollar with full power, omnipotent world races most powerful families by Dewan Ikatan Document of International Crown Council in Room 1 to 13, certified of cash money payment guarantee number 1872498094 and bank protection number 6100048774, Bank Agreement International of Protection Bank of Reference number 787932808 UBS, Complete Global Immunity FRN 0831934 Special Federal Reserve Board. The client guarantee number MCGR 345682. Instruction 5492927R00012188 8001 INA 045. This is authorized application form reference number 76218799480 or CFD, outstanding instruction to Mr. George Gontran, Director Personal Intermediately Mandate, Halifax Bank Wire Transfer Department, London, England. Its reference Mr. Byron Dragon, Federal Reserve Bank, Terminal Protection, USA, /BG 786328875/T/9384585. Complete under Agreement Room 1, Private. Agreement Room 2, Private. Confirmation UBS Online Protection UBS. Online Protection FED. Online Protection US Treasury. Originally Common Stock or BD. 120 billion US dollar UBS/CF/G 82774. Letter of instruction blocking funds. New direct this instruction to pay to open to all some contract payment transaction total of amount 1,000 quadrillion US dollar. Bid reference OCC/government/PMT 012902. The new payment reference number is out. Authorized VN 103 remittance code, allocation number A/100 to Special Federal Reserve Board, account number 552552542 AM, with account name of Spiritual Wonder Boy and with standing balance of unlimited US dollar. Instruction to George Gontran Personnel Intermediately Sohefbil give to E.R. Sugihartono ST. To all payment instructions to enable E.R. Sugihartono ST received. He overdue payment into his account swiftly without any more delay using power of attorney signatory guarantee medallion. Letter of instruction or mandate with power of attorney to Mr. Paul Volcker. File 61-991-990-9181. Personal only. Media inquiries, please contact our community group ABC Swisindo World Trust International Orbit. Contact for Global Change Treaty Event UN Swisindo Multinational. Principles of responsible investment are implemented in partnership with UNEP, Finance Initiative, and the UN Global Compact under UN Swisindo. To contact the PRI Secretariat or for any information, please contact email info@unpri.org. Phone address, my number +44 0 20 77 49 1940 PRI Secretariat. Bed Place Business Center, 2 Bed Place, Repington Street, London AC 2A 3DR, United Kingdom, UN Partner Agencies, UNEP Finance Initiative, International Environment House, Office D 512 15 Chemin des Anemones, CH 1219 Catalina, Geneva, Switzerland. Email fi@unep.chfi. UN Global Compact, UN Plaza 2, DC2 612, United Nations, New York, NY 10017. Email globalcompact@un.org. Media spokespeople Anastasia Goha, Communication and Event Manager, +44 0207 749 5145. Anastasia.goha@unpri.org. Paul Clemens Hunt, Head of Unit, UNEP Finance Initiative, +41 79 751 8505, Geneva, pch@unep.ch. Gavin Power, Deputy Director, UN Global Compact Office, +1 212 963 4681, New York. PowerG@un.org. From Victor Proya, Key 681, the Master Indonesia King of Kings, HMT, Mr. A1 Sino AS2 ERSST, the Great President of the United Nations Organization. Email records, inquiries@un.org, sino.s_sugihartono@hotmail.com. Note: use only contact for registered connection UN member or ICSID members, ISBLV members 0333 902 2010 as 2012. The International Committee of 300 International Organic Agency, United Nations Organization, to UN Swisindo Global Development. Telephone +62 231 849 3503 P1 TKC Cirebon NKRI. In the House, Representative HR 1249. Access Global Trade in Initiative Gold 65 2012. Release Unlimited AD 452106/66/12. ASBLP 033 3902/2010, Joint Resolution GR 19A, Section 3A101 of Title 31, United States Code, reference OCC/US Government PMT01-2902, October 29, 2012, reference FRNY/072775767, October 29, 2012, reference FRN/083194, reference BA1 or Official 1, Exhibit A 9/97/12. Under Federal Law, Basilio uses Orpheus or KHK Group, the Committee of 300, the International Agency, United Nations Organization, together Exhibit A, Gold Certificate UBS. This is instruction to George Gontran, Director, Wire Transfer Department, and Exhibit B, Mortgage Statement Certificate Share 2,000 quadrillion US dollars. The payment transfer, all some contracts have been signed in her terms through IMF of the Liaison Office, London. This is clear and clean, free crimes and legal right complete using authorized association of ARCOS agreement by power attorney of attorney, signatory guarantee medallion 1 of 1 in all locations. The gift certificate is clear and clean on behalf of standing payment. Transfer in contribution special Federal Reserve Board in Indonesia have been received by Governor Bank of Indonesia since October 29, 2012 to pay to prepare before treaty event UN Swishindo Multinational at December 20 to 21, 23 to 24, 2012 at Four Seasons, Bali, Indonesia. Under my instruction and bank protection to meantime, Bank of Indonesia and Six Prime Bank, BNI, BCA, BRI, Danamon, Mandiri, Lipo Bank Group are ready to pay to give certificate in Indonesia on behalf of Wire Transfer Department Special Bank, Official, London, England, to the treaty event UN Swishindo Multinational. Under Global Immunity FRN SC 122671 F 6512260A, in the virtue of the power in the term her until enabling the United States of America to determine and to contract in a manner appearing as a loan which shall be known as Federal Reserve Board issue by Philadelphia Series of 19. The legator and the redeemer will be free from criminal offense and be duly covered by complete immunity document for safety of all parties concerned. Transmission Consortium International USA, Swiss and Financial Consortium International INA, Consortium Internationality Swishindo World Trust International Orbit. 12 Istaini Agung Ngesti Tunggal, P1, PKC, NKRI, Cirebon. Big Top Royal Key 681, the Master Key Indonesia King of Kings AM1, the Great President, the Great Kingdom of the United Nations Organization, AAE, A2, Asia, Africa, Europe, America, Australia. Dewan Ikatan Dokumen of International Personal Asset Income from Nation and Republic of Indonesia. Mr. Ewan, Sino AS2 IR Sugihartono Noto Negoro ST, Consortium International Trust Officer, Big Top President Commissaries Bank, CLM 7650089 FC 56453, Albis Rider AC USD P15681120 Bank Officer, Switzerland Indonesia or Swissindo SBC SWIFT 808 OC8ZZ, Coordinate Bank CC, Queen of England and Queen of Netherlands, NATO, SHATO, non-block. Please your action. Welcome to New World Order Global Government, the Kingsley Administrative Tool, Property International Orbit, World of Justice, Smart, Super Smart. Thank all the contribution and attention.